If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: which of the following reflect the SAP Fiori design? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1, visual design. Option 2, design thinking methodology. Option 3, interaction patterns. Option 4, unified user interface design. Option 5, information architecture. Question: where can you maintain purchasing conditions in SAP Materials Management? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1, purchase requisitions. Option 2, outline agreements. Option 3, quota arrangements. Option 4, info records. Question: where can you set the automatic purchase order indicator in SAP Material Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1, quota arrangement. Option 2, business partner. Option 3, info record. Option 4, material master. Question: which of the following cannot be created by MRP Live? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, planned order. Option 2, MRP list. Option 3, purchase requisition. Option 4, schedule line. Question: where do posting with automatic account determination occur in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, material valuation. Option 2, invoice verification. Option 3, material requirements planning. Option 4, requisition creation. Option 5, inventory management. Question: which field selection key is used in combination with a document category in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, price display authorization. Option 2, activity category. Option 3, release status. Option 4, item category. Question: which indicators can you set in a source list in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, JIT. Option 2, MRP. Option 3, BIOCT. Option 4, forecast. Question: to which organizational level can you assign a plant in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, company code. Option 2, controlling area. Option 3, purchasing group. Option 4, business area. Question: to which stock types can you post a goods receipt without referencing a purchase order or a production order? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1, unrestricted use stock. Option 2, non-valuate GR block stock. Option 3, quality inspection stock. Option 4, valuated GR block stock. Option 5, block stock. Question: which of the following are features of supplier classification in SAP S/4HANA? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: support of integration to Dun & Bradstreet data. Option 2: evaluation of suppliers based on soft facts. Option 3: assignment of characteristics to suppliers. Option 4: assignment of suppliers to materials groups. Question: which of the following are business partner categories in SAP S/4HANA? There are three correct answers to this question. Option 1: group. Option 2: customer. Option 3: supplier. Option 4: person. Option 5: organization. Question: in S/4HANA, what are the new sourcing capabilities of request for quotes, RFQs? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: receive multiple supplier quotes from suppliers. Option 2: enter own supplier quote per RFQ. Option 3: convert shopping carts to RFQs. Option 4: send an RFQ to external platforms without a supplier included. Question: where do you select the default setting for the order acknowledgement indicator in SAP Materials Management? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: L and the business function log_mm_ci_1. Option 2: L and the personal setting of the purchase order. Option 3: L and the purchasing group. Option 4: L and the parameter EVO. Question: which storage types does SAP HANA support for data? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: file storage. Option 2: sheet storage. Option 3: column storage. Option 4: row storage. Question: in SAP S/4HANA, which embedded analytics tools does an end user have access to? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: custom CDs view app. Option 2: multi-dimensional reporting. Option 3: SAP Smart Business Cockpit. Option 4: query designer. Question: which SAP Fiori apps can an employee use for self-service requisitioning? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: create purchase requisition. Option 2: confirm purchase orders. Option 3: confirm receipt of goods. Option 4: create purchase requisition advanced. Question: which attribute is an influencing factor for the field selection of materials in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: costing control. Option 2: authorization group. Option 3: material group. Option 4: industry sector. Question: what happens when you post evaluated goods receipt for a purchase order item with a material master record and account assignment K, cost center, in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: material document is created without an accounting document. Option 2: the system debits the consumption account specified in the purchase order. Option 3: the moving average price of the material is updated. Option 4: the system increases the inventory of the material. Question: what configuration element is mandatory for a material type that has been defined as quantity-based and value-based in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: account category reference. Option 2: valuation class. Option 3: account group. Option 4: valuation modification. Question: during the goods receipt for a purchase order of a material to be stocked, what determines which stock account is updated? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: account modifier. Option 2: price control. Option 3: valuation class. Option 4: condition record. Question: in SAP S/4HANA, which views exist for material type serve? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1: forecasting. Option 2: quality management. Option 3: sales. Option 4: accounting. Option 5: purchasing. Question: which of the following is an end-to-end solution in streamlined procure-to-pay? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: operational procurement. Option 2: invoice processing. Option 3: purchase order processing. Option 4: supplier evaluation. Question: which of the following goods issues update the consumption in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: scrapping. Option 2: random sampling. Option 3: cost center. Option 4: production order. Question: what purchasing master data has the highest priority during source determination in the material requirements planning run? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: vendor master. Option 2: quota arrangement. Option 3: source list. Option 4: info record. Question: what setting is defined with a movement type in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: valuation area. Option 2: count group. Option 3: valuation class. Option 4: account modification. Question: what does the material type influence in the material master in SAP Materials Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1: MRP type. Option 2: procurement type. Option 3: quantity and value update. Option 4: account group. Question: what can a purchase do in the Manage Purchase Requisition SAP Fiori app? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: approve a purchase requisition. Option 2: initiate sourcing. Option 3: create a purchase order. Option 4: initiate contracting. Question: what configuration object is required when you group plants while posting to the general ledger in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: valuation grouping code. Option 2: account grouping code. Option 3: condition grouping code. Option 4: material grouping code. Question: which maintenance statuses must be defined in SAP Materials Management before you buy a valued material? For receipt into stock. There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: costing. Option 2: purchasing. Option 3: storage. Option 4: accounting. Question: which are the capabilities of procurement analytics in SAP S/HANA? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: configurable KPIs. Option 2: support for SAP HANA Live. Option 3: real-time supplier evaluation scoring. Option 4: real-time integration of SAP Business Warehouse. Question: which of the following document types can you use for automatic sourcing within SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: purchase requisition. Option 2: scheduling agreement. Option 3: contract. Option 4: request for quotation. Question: what are the capabilities of operational contract management in SAP S/4HANA? There are three correct answers to this question. Option 1: single screen transactions. Option 2: dynamic and flexible search across the entire contract work list. Option 3: direct navigation to contract and supplier object pages. Option 4: fast change option in documents. Question: which objects are available for a simplification item? There are three correct answers to this question. Option 1: edition release. Option 2: SAP note. Option 3: custom code impact. Option 4: description. Option 5: application component. Question: what does the item category specify in a purchasing document in SAP Materials Management? Option 1: whether items with unlimited deliveries are possible. Option 2: whether items without valuation are possible. Option 3: whether items with order acknowledgement are possible. Option 4: whether items without a material number are possible. Question: which release strategy control prevents a planning run from changing the quantity on a purchase requisition in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: fixing indicator. Option 2: release group. Option 3: field selection key. Option 4: release code. Question: what does the system use to determine a source of supply? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 Purchasing Info Records. Option 2 Requests for Quotation. Option 3 Purchase Contracts. Option 4 Purchase Requisitions. Question: what is needed to verify that a landing page which is blacklisting an email channel for a profile, is working? Option 1 A test profile subscribed to a service. Option 2 A test profile. Option 3 A profile. Option 4 A blacklisted profile. Question: what do you need to consider when deciding whether to use stock transport orders for stock transfers between plants? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 Stock transfers with transport orders are one step only. Option 2 Stock transfers with stock transport orders use the same calculation schema as standard purchase orders. Option 3 Stock transfers with stock transport orders can be integrated with MRP. Option 4 Stock transfers with stock transport orders require an account assignment. Question: when is a vendor consignment liability posted in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 When goods are issued to a cost center. Option 2 When goods are transferred between stock types. Option 3 When goods are transferred between storage locations. Option 4 When goods are received from vendor. Question: you are using message determination with condition technique. Which parameter can you specify in a condition record for a message output type in SAP Materials Management? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Partner function. Option 2 Print form. Option 3 Message texts. Option 4 Output time. Question: for a material subject to split valuation, at which level is the price control moving average set in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 Valuation area. Option 2 Account group. Option 3 Valuation group. Option 4 Account modification. Question: which transfer postings within a plant result in both a material document and an accounting document in SAP Materials Management? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 A transfer posting from consignment stock into own stock. Option 2 A material to material transfer posting. Option 3 A transfer posting from quality inspection stock into unrestricted use stock. Option 4 A transfer posting from one storage location to another storage location. Question: what rule can a goods movement use to process an accounting relevant business transaction in SAP Materials Management? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Posting key. Option 2 Valuation area. Option 3 Valuation grouping code. Option 4 Account grouping code. Question: what are benefits of self-service requisitioning? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1: decreased number of purchase contracts. Option 2: reduced procurement costs. Option 3: integrated update function for material master data. Option 4: increased no-touch rate for purchase orders. Question: which configuration element contains the criteria that causes an item or document to be blocked in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: release status. Option 2: release indicator. Option 3: release code. Option 4: release strategy. Question: how does MRP-lib minimize the volume of data that must be copied from the database server to the application server and back? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: by reading only the existing purchase requisitions and planned orders. Option 2: by reading only the material receipts and requirements. Option 3: by reading all data in one database procedure. Option 4: by reading only the purchase receipts and requirements. Question: which batch input session accepts data from an external system into SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: set zero count indicator in physical inventory documents. Option 2: enter count without reference and posting of difference. Option 3: create physical inventory documents. Option 4: block material and freeze book inventory in physical inventory documents. Question: which automatic account determination configuration data is used to subdivide an accounting relevant posting to the general ledger in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: valuation class. Option 2: valuation area. Option 3: chart of accounts. Option 4: account grouping code. Question: what must you remember when you define a purchasing organization in SAP Materials Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1: the purchasing organization is the highest summation level for purchasing. Option 2: the purchasing organization is a selection criterion for lists of all purchasing documents. Option 3: each purchasing organization has its own info records and conditions for price determination. Option 4: all purchasing groups are assigned to specific purchasing organizations. Question: which types of field selection keys are available for purchasing documents in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: purchasing organization. Option 2: transaction. Option 3: workflow status. Option 4: item category. Question: in S/4HANA, what are the new sourcing capabilities of request for quotes, RFQs? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1: enter one supplier quote per RFQ. Option 2: receive multiple supplier quotes from suppliers. Option 3: send an RFQ to external platforms without a supplier included. Option 4: convert shopping carts to RFQs. Question: which indicators do you set to allow evaluated receipt settlement in SAP Materials Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 automatic settlement of goods received in the vendor. Option 2 goods receipt based invoice verification in the purchase order. Option 3 automatic purchase order in the vendor master. Option 4 auto generation of purchase order at time of goods receipt in the movement type. Question: For SAP S/4HANA Business Partners, to which of the following can you assign multiple values? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 addresses. Option 2 roles. Option 3 language. Option 4 names. Question: Which of the following are valid sources of supply in a source list in SAP Materials Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 procurement plant. Option 2 contract. Option 3 quota arrangement. Option 4 quotation. Question: What is the relationship between a service master record and a service specification in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 A service specification is the master data record that describes the structure of a service master record. Option 2 Service master records are used as a source of data while creating service specifications. Option 3 Service specifications are created to confirm service master catalog activities. Option 4 Service specifications are used in purchase requisitions, service master records are used in purchase orders. Question: Which of the following are required before you can purchase a product using the item category of vendor? Consignment in SAP Materials Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 A confirmation control key. Option 2 A purchasing info record. Option 3 A material master. Option 4 an account assignment category. Question: What can you define when you create a purchase order using the service item category, D, in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 Schedule lies when services have to be performed. Option 2 Vendors for the different services to be performed. Option 3 Value limits for unplanned services. Option 4 Additional account assignment categories which are available only for services. Question: What controls whether lists are displayed using the SAP List Viewer or the ALV Grid control in SAP ERP? Standard reports? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 The selection parameters. Option 2 User parameter me_use_grid. Option 3 The transaction code. Option 4 The scope of list parameter. Question: Which of the following provides users direct access to SAP Fiori apps? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 SAP WebLIDE. Option 2 SAP Fiori Launchpad. Option 3 SAP Fiori Apps Reference Library. Option 4 SAP Fiori Client. Question: What does the simplification list in SAP S/4HANA describe? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 changes to individual transactions and solution capabilities. Option 2 impacts on SAP Business Suite. Option 3 relationships between the bill of material, routings, and the production version. Option 4 SAP/4HANA documentation. Question: you are using message determination with condition technique. Which document fields can you include in this process in SAP Materials Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 company code. Option 2 plant. Option 3 purchasing group. Option 4 material group. Question: which information regarding contracts can you get directly from analytical SAP Fiori apps? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 unused contracts. Option 2 expiring contracts. Option 3 unapproved contracts. Option 4 low value contracts. Question: which release strategy control prevents a planning run from changing the quantity on a purchase requisition in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 release group. Option 2 fixing indicator. Option 3 release code. Option 4 field selection key. Question: to which object can you directly assign an account assignment category in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 item category. Option 2 partner role. Option 3 material master. Option 4 document type. Question: what does the custom code check tool in SAP S/4HANA provide? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 descriptions on simplification items. Option 2 an overview of custom code that does not comply with SAP S/4HANA. Option 3 information about existing functionality. Option 4 proposals to replace the custom code with BATIS. Question: which of these are layers in SAP best practice content? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 process diagrams. Option 2 building blocks. Option 3 solution packages. Option 4 configuration guides. Option 5 scope items. Question: how can you prevent a goods movement from being posted to a reservation item in the requirement date is too far in the future in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 set the retention periods. Option 2 set the base date. Option 3 leave the movement allowed indicator blank. Option 4 leave the final issue indicator blank. Question: you want to maintain the settings for the end #39, default values for purchasing 1, EBO, parameter in SAP Materials Management. Which document type can you assign for the order acknowledgement requirement in the indicator tab? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 reservation. Option 2 purchase requisition. Option 3 request for quotation. Option 4 scheduling agreement. Question: at which organizational do you assign release creation profiles for scheduling agreement within a business partner? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 client. Option 2 plant. Option 3 company code. Option 4 purchase organization. Question: which automatic account determination configuration data is used to subdivide an accounting relevant posting to Theganero ledger in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 chart of accounts. Option 2 account grouping code. Option 3 valuation area. Option 4 valuation class. Question: what does the material type influence in the material master in SAP Materials Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 quantity and value update. Option 2 procurement type. Option 3 account group. Option 4 MRP type. Question: which of the following attributes can you maintain in an account assignment category in SAP Materials Management? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 account modification. Option 2 consumption posting. Option 3 special stock. Option 4 message output parameter. Option 5 valuation class. Question: where do posting with automatic account determination occur in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 inventory management. Option 2 invoice verification. Option 3 requisition creation. Option 4 material requirements planning. Option 5 material valuation. Question: which applications can send forecast data to SAP S/4HANA? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 SAP Supply Chain Management, SCM. Option 2 SAP Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Option 3 SAP Integrated Business Planning, IBP. Option 4 SAP Supplier Relationship Management, SRM. Question: which of the following is mandatory to create a plant in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 division. Option 2 language key. Option 3 local currency. Option 4 tax code. Question: which special material type attribute can you set for the material type in the SAP implementation guide? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 consignment is mandatory. Option 2 price control is mandatory. Option 3 material is consumable. Option 4 material is configurable. Question: for which purpose can you use the product type in SAP S/4HANA? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 to define whether a material type is a material or a service. Option 2 to enable the grouping of similar expenditure items. Option 3 to define whether the material number can be assigned internally or externally. Option 4 to enable the grouping of similar materials. Question: when the procurement process is without a material master in SAP Materials Management, which configuration element do you assign to the valuation class? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 material type. Option 2 item category. Option 3 valuation area. Option 4 material group. Question: you posted a goods receipt at origin acceptance in SAP Materials Management. For which stock type is the inventory updated? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 non-valuated GR block stock. Option 2 BIOX stock. Option 3 unrestricted use stock. Option 4 valuated GR block stock. Question: for which of the following do you have to create MRP areas? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 MRP run by vendor. Option 2 MRP run with scope of planning. Option 3 forecasting. Option 4 storage location MRP. Question: what does SAP HANA use to classify the usefulness of data? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 temperatures. Option 2 tiers. Option 3 colors. Option 4 confidentiality. Question: what release procedure can you use to process an approval of a purchase requisition in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 without class types. Option 2 without plant. Option 3 without conditions. Option 4 without classification. Question: for which processes is material valuation at plant level mandatory in SAP Materials Management? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 invoice verification. Option 2 physical inventory. Option 3 production planning. Option 4 product costing. Question: what are some of the SAP Fiori user types? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 employee. Option 2 developer. Option 3 business partner. Option 4 expert. Option 5 occasional. Question: which indicator can you set for the manual source assignment in the end #39, function authorizations for buyers and #39, user parameter, EFB, in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 source list. Option 2 purchase requisition. Option 3 quotation. Option 4 contract. Question: which of the following are the characteristics of supplier evaluation in SAP S/4HANA? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1, sending questionnaires to suppliers. Option 2, usage of hard facts and soft facts. Option 3, configurable questionnaires. Option 4, integration with Dun & Bradstreet. Question: in the below materials content in SAP Best Practices, which of the following accelerators are at solution level? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1, Master Data Overview. Option 2, Configuration Guides. Option 3, Test Scripts. Option 4, Software and Delivery Requirements. Question: how often does SAP HANA create a save point? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, every few hours. Option 2, every few seconds. Option 3, every few minutes. Option 4, every 30 minutes. Question: which functions exists in the SAP Fiori Manage Purchase Requisitions app? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1, download of open purchase requisitions. Option 2, addition of documents to purchase requisitions. Option 3, proposal of available sources of supply. Option 4, deletion of purchase requisitions. Question: what replaces the goods receipt process in external services procurement within SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, service entry sheet creation and acceptance. Option 2, invoice verification for service purchase order. Option 3, update of service purchase order history. Option 4, creation of service specification. Question: which maintenance statuses must be defined in SAP Materials Management before you buy a valued material? For receipt into stock. There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1, storage. Option 2, purchasing. Option 3, accounting. Option 4, costing. Question: what happens when you call transaction MB01 in SAP S/4 HANA? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, MB01 creates a short dump. Option 2, MB01 redirects you to transaction BP. Option 3, MB01 issues an error message. Option 4, MB01 issues a warning message. Question: what are simplification items? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, customers and suppliers are modeled as business master. Option 2, shortening of the material number field length to 15 characters. Option 3, MBXX transaction for goods movements are replaced by transaction MIGO. Option 4, shortening of the material number field length to 35 characters. Question: you convert a purchase requisition to a purchase order. What can you assign to the purchase requisition to be used as a source of supply in SAP Materials Management? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1, quota arrangement. Option 2, contract. Option 3, desired vendor. Option 4, info record. Question: you need to create a new document type for a document category in SAP Materials Management. What do you need to define? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1: the linkage of document types. Option 2: the assignment of the document type to purchasing organization. Option 3: the number assignment and field selection for the document type. Option 4: the permitted item categories. Option 5: the function authorizations for document types. Question: what configuration element determines the account assignment based on the material master in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: valuation class. Option 2: material type. Option 3: posting key. Option 4: valuation area. Question: what is mandatory in a purchase order item for a consumable material in SAP Materials Management? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: GR/IR clearing account. Option 2: goods receipt indicator. Option 3: material number. Option 4: account assignment category.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.